In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an email campaign in Squarespace. We'll be going through the basic workflow for creating and preparing an email campaign inside Squarespace, from opening the campaign area all the way to choosing your recipients and sending the message. If you're new to email marketing in Squarespace, this is a great starting point because the process is very visual and straightforward once you know where everything is. To begin, go to the marketing area and click on campaigns. This is where your email campaigns are managed, and it's the main place you'll return to whenever you want to create, edit, or review your email activity. Once you're on the campaigns page, click Create. This starts a new campaign and brings you into the setup flow. From there, you'll be asked to choose a template. Templates give you a starting design so you don't have to build the email from scratch. Pick the one that best matches the kind of message you want to send. After selecting a template, click Use this template. Squarespace will load that design into the email editor where you can begin customizing it. At this stage, you can edit the template to fit your campaign. This usually means adjusting the text, images, layout, or branding so the email reflects your message clearly and looks consistent with your business or website. Next, click on Email. This section is where you'll define the email details before it goes out. One of the most important parts here is the subject line, so go ahead and add your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant, since this is the first thing recipients will see in their inbox. After that, click on Unique Recipients. This opens the audience selection area so you can choose who should receive the campaign. Then click on All Subscribers. If you want this email to go to everyone on your subscriber list, this is a common choice for announcements, promotions, or general updates. Once your audience is selected, click Back to return to the main campaign setup screen. This gives you a chance to quickly review what you've configured, including the template, the email details, and the recipient group. When everything looks ready, click Send to Recipients. This is the final action that sends your campaign out to the audience you selected. And that's how to start an email campaign in Squarespace. Take a moment before sending to make sure your content, subject line, and recipients are correct, so your campaign goes out smoothly and professionally.